Got him. I think the secret to those circle hooks is just kind of let him run with it. Oh, he's a bender. Look at that. Oh, there we go. That's a bend in the rod. Yeah, bender. Just like in Futurama. Bender. I can't even hardly pick him up against the drag. That's a 2-pounder. Pound and a half, 2-pounder. Nice, 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 nice. Red rod. Oh, he self-released too. Oh, got him. Oh, he's a battler. Look at him bend that rod. Whee! Oh, he's a fat little shell cracker. Look at that color on him. That wind is picking up, picking up. Hey, hey, don't shake. Just be calm. Look at that color on that one, huh? A lot of gold. Kind of motley looking though, like something's been eating him. Oh yeah, he was one of those retardo divers. Kind of retarded. Bassmasters. Whoa, going on now. Down there in Palatka, about 20 miles down the road. Red-breasted sunfish. Oh, pretty. So how's that red rod showing up on the video? How the cam's picking it up better than the white ones and the green ones? Well, he was a good diver. It's like tide's coming in. I got something. It's a fighter. What do we got? It's a battler. A good sized shell cracker, it looks like. Oh yeah. We can bend that rod. Red rods. Red Rover. Come on up. Oh my god. Oh, look at that bend in that rod. Ooh. Ooh. That's a bender. It's like Futurama, huh? Oh, look. Man, he's pulling the drag when I pick him up. Come here. Whoa! I didn't see that dive. Got him. Got him. Wait, let's see Raptor there. Oh, he's meaty. Yep. Meaty, meaty, meaty. Okay. I think that'll be my last one. It kind of slowed way down. Nice little shell cracker. Come from the secret hole. No, not that hole. Why do you people are so dirty minded? Shell cracker. Oh, he's a diver. Yes, sir.